Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled Pre-training and Fine-tuning LLMs. Teaching an AI new tricks, how foundational AI models get their vast knowledge and then learn specific skills. Imagine you want to teach an AI to be really smart. Not just smart at one thing, but smart about almost everything it can read and understand. These super smart AIs are called large language models, LLMs. Like ChatGPT or Google's Gemini, they can understand, generate, and process human language in incredible ways. But how do they get all that vast knowledge and then learn specific skills? It happens in two big, distinct steps: pre-training and fine-tuning. Let's dive in and see how your AI assistant gets its brain. Think of pre-training like sending our AI to the biggest, most comprehensive library in the entire world, filled with every book, article, code repository, and web page ever written. During this phase, the AI isn't taught specific answers. It just reads everything. Its primary goal is to learn the asterisk patterns, grammar, facts, common sense, and relationships embedded in human language. It learns that cats often meow, that Paris is the capital of France, and how sentences are generally structured. It's like giving it a massive, general education before it ever specializes. So, what does reading mean for an AI? Imagine the AI is playing a giant game of fill in the blank. We feed it billions and billions of sentences from the internet. For example, if it sees the sky is ____, it tries to predict blue. If it sees I want to eat a ____, it might predict burger or apple. Every time it makes a prediction, it compares it to the actual next word. If it's wrong, it subtly adjusts its internal brain connections, called parameters, to be more accurate next time. Over months, with massive amounts of data and powerful computers, it slowly builds an incredibly rich understanding of language and the world within it, all just by getting good at predicting the next word. Why go through such a massive, expensive process just to teach general knowledge? Because this foundation makes the AI incredibly versatile. A pre-trained LLM can then understand a huge range of topics, answer broad questions, translate languages, write different kinds of text, and even generate code. It's like having a well-educated assistant who can understand almost anything you throw at them, even if they're not an expert in a specific niche yet. For us as developers, this means we don't have to train an AI from scratch for every new task. We get to start with an already smart brain that understands the world. Now that our AI has a vast general knowledge from pre-training, it's time for its internship. This is fine-tuning. During fine-tuning, we take that already smart, pre-trained AI and show it a much smaller, very specific dataset related to a particular task or industry. For example, if we want an AI that's great at writing product descriptions for an e-commerce store, we feed it thousands of examples of good product descriptions from that store. If we want it to be a customer service chatbot, we give it conversations between customers and agents, showing it how to respond appropriately. Unlike pre-training, where the AI was just predicting the next word to learn general patterns, in fine-tuning, it's given clear tasks and expected outputs. Here's a customer query. Generate a helpful response. Here's an article. Summarize it concisely. It still adjusts its internal connections, but now those adjustments are much smaller and focused on excelling at that specific skill. The AI doesn't forget its general knowledge. It just tweaks its brain to prioritize and apply that knowledge in a very specific way. This makes the AI much more effective and accurate for the particular job you have in mind. Why this two-step dance? Imagine training a new specialist from scratch every time. That would be incredibly costly and slow. Pre-training gives us a powerful, general base that's expensive and difficult to build, but only needs to be done once by large research labs. Fine-tuning then allows us developers to cheaply and quickly adapt that pre-trained base model for our specific needs without losing its core intelligence. This is key. We can leverage incredibly powerful pre-trained models, often accessible via APIs, and then, if needed, fine-tune them with our unique data to create highly specialized, custom AI applications. This saves immense time and computational resources for everyone else. As a developer, understanding pre-training and fine-tuning empowers you. You don't necessarily need to do the pre-training yourself. That's for large companies with massive resources. But you will be interacting with and building upon these powerful pre-trained models, often through APIs, application programming interfaces. You might use them directly out of the box for general tasks, or you might choose to fine-tune them with your company's proprietary data to make them a domain expert for your specific application, whether it's an internal knowledge base, a personalized marketing tool, or a highly specialized chatbot. This process allows you to build sophisticated AI applications much faster and more effectively, standing on the shoulders of these AI giants. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.